Welcome to a video from thedigitalLifestyle.com. New Windows 10 build to look at. This is build 19541 for Windows Insiders on the Fast Ring. Our first Fast Ring build of 2020. Not a huge amount to show in this, but I'll show you the changes that Microsoft have included. Here in Task Manager you can now see the architecture, so if I select that, you'll see here that it's all x86 on here. But if you had something like a Surface Pro X with an ARM chip, you could see which things are running under ARM, which things are being emulated, so which things are running natively, which things are running as emulated mode. So it's quite handy for platforms like that. The other change is a minor one, and that's just a little icon change for the location in use. See if I can show you that. There you go, see the little arrow icon down there, that shows that it's using the map data or the map location. The rest of the changes are all fairly minor. They fixed the system impacting system settings reliability. They fixed issues where Windows would say it needed a reboot and when it didn't after an update. They fixed an issue with narrator. They fixed an issue with the search wasn't showing up correctly, and they fixed an issue where the feedback hub was not working correctly in the previous build. The known issues, there's just a few. There's the BattlEye anti-cheat software that's been going on for about a year now. There's seen some reports of extended build time when it's installing the builds. That's been around for a while. I haven't seen that. They've still an issue with USB 3 drives that some may come up with the start code 10 error. Optimized drive control panel is incorrect reporting. Optimization has never been run. There's some icon issues. Remote desktop may crash, and snipping isn't working on secondary monitors, and timeline isn't showing any activities. And they're also investigating an issue with Outlook search that may not work. So there you can see timeline is only showing the current activities rather than previous activities. But that's actually all the changes in this build 19541 Windows Insiders on the Fast Ring. They're now just including all the latest features or the latest development in this. They're not sort of saying which release of Windows 10 this is going to be. This is just what they're currently testing. So you can see more on our blog on thedigitalLifestyle.com, our Twitter @ISDixon. Thanks for watching this video.